just want to give a big thank you to our two newest members on the channel, Lene and Rhonda Powell. Thank you guys so much for joining. Your support is greatly appreciated. If you're interested in becoming a member of the channel, click the join button below my videos. If you're an iOS user, click the link in the info box and you'll be able to sign up from there. Hey guys, this is Evie. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you how I did these Fendi Inspired nails. So for this look, I'm using the Poochie's Nails Caramel Cover Acrylic, and I'll be applying that with the Long Hair Pretty Nails number 8 Oval Kolinsky brush. So I'll be sculpting these nails using these extra long pink nail forms, and I picked these up from Amazon. I will link everything that I use down below. Alright, so once I have all the forms on and done my prepping and priming, I'm just going to go in with the acrylic application. And this is not anything fancy. I'm just going to do all the nails with the caramel cover acrylic. So I've been wanting to try out more hand painted designs. And before I really wasn't doing it because I didn't quite have like the right brushes to do so. But in the package that I got from Poochie's, she included a really tiny nail art brush, and it is perfect for doing this type of hand art. So that is why I went ahead and tried this out, and I really do like how this design came out. So as far as sculpting, I am just trying to take my time and make the nail the perfect shape and all of that, so I don't have to do too much filing. As you guys know, like, sculpting the nails is my favorite method of applying acrylic. Now there's nothing wrong with tips, but I just prefer to sculpt, and I just feel like that is when I'm at my happiest. So yeah, that is that. And the Poochie's Nails acrylic is very easy to work with. I love how it's really easy to blend, and you do have enough time to kind of play around with it and all that stuff. So if you guys were ever curious about it, I really do like it. And yeah, I kind of want to get some more color, so I should have took advantage of her sale, but so yeah, just like I said, I'm just going to apply the caramel cover to all of the nails. So I do want to answer some questions that I've been getting. You guys have been seeing my member shout outs in my videos, and I just want to further explain that. Some people were kind of confused as to what members are and what's the difference between being a member and being a subscriber. So when you subscribe to my channel, that just means that you get notifications of when I post videos or when I post in the community tab. Or, you know, if I do a live stream or something, you will get those type of notifications. But to be a member means you're actually helping out by sponsoring the channel, and the cost is $4.99 a month, and you do get some perks. So the perks that I offer to my members are you get early access to my videos, so you will be able to watch my videos the day before I go public, which means you're able to comment and I'm able to get back to you. And if you have any questions, you get first priority, so I'm able to answer your questions, because honestly, once the video goes public, I'm really not able to keep up with the comments. You also get a custom badge, which lets everybody know that you are a member and that you are supporting this channel. Thank you very kindly. You will also get to decide what the next design my husband's going to do in our Hubby Does My Nails live every week that we have on Saturday nights. So you'll be able to vote and decide what the nail design will be. So yeah, those are the perks. I'm just so grateful to all the members. Thank you guys so much. Just to go that extra mile to show your support to the channel, it is greatly appreciated. After all of the acrylic has dried, I went ahead and took off the nail forms, and now I'm going to do my shaping and filing. And as you guys see, I am working with my new dust collector. If you want to know more info about this, I will link the review down below and also a link where you can purchase. Alright, so this is after I have filed, shaped, and buffed, and now I'm just going to wipe my nails off with some alcohol just to get rid of all of that dust. And now I'm going in with the Poochie Snails black gel paint and also this awesome nail art brush that I was talking about earlier. And I am just going to painstakingly draw the Fendi print on my nails. And also keep in mind, I'm working with my non-dominant hand. I am left-handed, so I'm drawing all this with my right hand. This was a very slow process and I sped up the footage, so but I did have to kind of take off some of the F's that I didn't like and redo them, but I kind of cut all that out because it would have made the video extra long. But just know that working with the gel paint is really easy. Like if you do not like how some of your work is coming out, you can just go ahead and wipe it off and start over. So that's kind of what I've been doing. And as you can see, I'm using my Alpha gel brush to kind of clean up any of the lines, just to make everything, you know, as close to perfect as I can get it. But this was very fun to do, and having this really tiny art brush does help. I'm not really too much for doing hand-drawn art because I'm not really that good at it. But I do like this brush. It did make it a lot easier. So, you know, I will be trying to do more of some hand-drawn stuff. Alright, so this is after I've drawn all of the Fendi print, and I went ahead and cured that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. So now I am going to do some bling Fendi F's, and I'm starting off with the Poochie's bling gel, but she doesn't sell that anymore, but you guys can use like a builder gel or whatever other jewel type of gel you have. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply that with a dotting tool, and then I go in and apply the crystals. Now because I want to keep this nail matte, that is why I'm applying the gel in just very small lines and kind of tracing where I want the crystals to be, because I don't want this nail to be shiny. Like I want it to be matte, so I'm being very precise of where I'm putting the bling gel. So once I've applied all of the iridescent crystals, I'm just gonna go ahead and cure this in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. Alright, so now for the blinged out nail, I'm just gonna apply more of the Poochie Snails bling gel, and then I go over it with the Poochie's Super Shine Gel Top Coat. And I'm just gonna go in with my stones. So I'm starting off with the medium iridescent crystals, and these are available on my website. I will leave the links down below. So after applying all of the medium crystals, I go in with the small crystals and just fill in all the gaps. So this is how the gorgeous nail looks, and I just went ahead and cured that for 60 seconds. So finally, I'm going in with the Poochie Snails Super Shine Gel Top Coat, and I'm just going to apply that to the Fendi print nails and to my thumbnail, which I just left plain. Alright, so after curing that and letting the nails cool down a bit, I'm just going to go in with my cuticle oil. And this is the finished look. I love how these came out. I really shocked myself on this one because I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to draw all of this print. So I hope you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial. Head over to lawncareprettynails.com and check out the shop. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will talk to you in my next one.